Hey guys and gals, welcome back to the channel, where today we are unboxing this motorcycle bike handlebar mount. So these have been advertised to work with both the Insta360 and the GoPros. And while it is advertised to be a bike handlebar mount, they also advertise it as being able to mount on the back for those rear shots as well. So I'll go ahead and unbox this and see what's inside. Side, you can see we have the GoPro style mount and the GoPro style screws as well. There's a couple of Allen keys, and here in bubble wrap we have the actual mount itself, which looks like it has quite a few degrees of adjustment in there that you adjust with the Allen keys. And here we have the actual stick itself. It's got a rubberized grip. And it looks like it stands out pretty far. It was designed for bullet time. Not quite sure what that means. Okay. So I think, yeah, you pull it out, and then you just twist it, and then it'll lock in place at whichever length that you prefer. It also comes with a couple of rubberized grips, presumably for the clamp. Here's a close-up of what's in the box. You've got some Allen keys, the mount itself, the expandable stick, and a couple of GoPro style the mount attachment and the screws. So you stick your stick in here, and I guess clamp it on to the handlebar, and then you can rotate it as you see fit. So that's what's in the box. Would you purchase this? Let us know in the comments below.